Hey guys, before we get into this video, I want you to go over to Parry Cooking YouTube channel. Go over there, go subscribe to his channel, show him some love, and tell him say Iandra sent you. I'm gonna put the link to his channel in my description box, and I'm also gonna pin it in my comment section. Click on the link and help him to grow. Let's get into this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. I miss you guys so much. I know I miss you as well. Today I woke up feeling much better. I'm just happy because I get the bad flu, and then Jason end up get the flu from me. Cause me tell him, Mr. Baby can't itch up for me like that, you know. And then keep on that itch up for me. Mommy run her back, she have on her mask. Yeah, mommy run there with the alcohol bottle. But yeah, guys, I miss you no bad. So them again enough strength to pick up the camera and just let you know what's up. And thank you guys so much for the kind messages. I really and truly appreciate it. The best part is when I have, you know what, thank you Lord. It's just a little flu. Well, the flu ain't a little at all. But now me feel better. Jason sick. Oh boy. And I did a sleep in the back room, you know. So me a sleep in the back room because me realize that me start to get stuffy and, you know, go in a room and Jason say, me fi sleep around there. Me no fi go back in the back room, me fi sleep with him. When me wake up, me hear him. Me don't look for him. But him never did get sick that day.
Don't look for me, whoa.
What? What me I gotta do? Me feel guilty. For me, blend up something here with guys, it tastes so bad, but it's so good. Me say when you take it, it cold just a melt. All I need to do is just to go spit it.
You know I get rid of that.
Me feel much better today. The only thing, I'm having a bad headache and my throat. I don't know if you can probably hear me sound hoarse, but my headache and my eye right here start hurt me. So I'm not applying much pressure, so I'm not gonna feel it, but like if I wash my face and stuff, over my eye so pain me. So that's my only problem right now. And at night time is like the way you have one little ego. I don't know if that's the right term for it or what the medical term. Other than that, I don't know what birthday they're right around the corner. Jason the 7th, me the 10th. Me get my first birthday gift already.
Nobody called me happy birthday gift. Hey,
Mommy, not bother with it.
no Jason, no boo-boo.
But tell me, make up buy your church clothes.
You have to get it for your birthday. Otherwise, you're not getting
From
waking up to me every morning is a gift, you know.
you waking up to me is a gift.
So this where we are going?
Oh yeah, me go talk to them about that right now too. But yeah, me get my first birthday gift already, and not only that, me and Jason have the funniest story for share. Me don't know if me for share, but it's so funny. I mean, I want to keep it to myself. Yeah. So our landlord, as I don't know the house that we live in, I think Jason telling you this already. It's not our house, our rent we are paying. So our landlord literally cool, like he's such a nice person. Anyways, tell me why. So we pay our rent, we send him the receipt and stuff, and then him send Jason a message like, thank you so much, and I have something for you and Iandra. Tell me why me and Jason in the house, I sweat.
Tell them what me say first.
Me no remember to funny.
Me say, yo, babe, so you might ever give for it's time for you guys to leave my place.
I mean, we know so we not do nothing. Sometimes people not even know so we in the house. So me I say it could have been nothing. unless some construction work I gotta be done on the house, and it's like my imagination start run when me and just the house and look at each other like, alright babe, it's time.
It's just that me I wonder say what we couldn't get.
Yeah, we wonder like what we could get. So we me a worry now, you know.
I know, don't think say getting like, you know, a little commission back. That ain't about my mind, you know, like somebody
yeah.
So
we say, alright babe, yeah, me know in my head. Hey, it's whatever I know, anything we get. But we just know say so it go. So today now we hear knock on the door. Listen, if we hear knocking on the door, it can only be 3 persons. No, let me see. 3 or 4. Yeah, no, probably 3.
And a lot of persons though.
Not a lot.
I think a 3 persons.
Yeah,
no,
3.
no, lie. It can be 4 persons.
Yeah. 4. So me I say, alright, I know who this. When they come, we got a gift.
And
listen.
Babe, look, I can set up yourself, you know, 1 minute me see you van close, next minute me see you naked, but babe, you go on.
No, me never did know, me did I got beard. Me did I got beard.
So me see me figure.
But yeah, he came today and he gave us a gift. I want like a clip with the camera record because that was so sweet.
My thing is, you must watch a video them because there's no way you know what you video and just know say we love that the juice.
Ooh, look what we got from our landlord. This is so sweet. Oh my. Thank you so much. We reach our destination. When you remember the saving video, I'm telling you I'm gonna give you the saving. I know probably I wonder like Andrew how that I go and all of that. But the money did change out and we got 16,500. So I'm gonna give it to him today. As me say, this is not what I'm gonna put on camera or whatever. It's just an update for me to know say I'm gonna give the person the money. So the person never asked for no help nor nothing like that. It's just that mommy told me the story and me say me I gonna do this with my savings because I won't do to mommy with film savings. Plus the person don't know so me I gonna do it. So me I gonna make my mother follow me because my mother know him and remember the backstory with my mother. So me just reach and me I go do it. So guys, we just drop off the money. So yeah, me know I'm grateful, me know I'm happy for it. So that. I don't know where we are going now. Mommy, I gonna see buy something in a supermarket. Nah, like me feel weak, you see? I feel weak. Me I hold up the tripod right now. Oh, me not use my camera. No, me want to see where you go. Because you must have food. Exactly. Yeah. I feel weak. The hand me I use to hold up the tripod. It's just coming like it I go drop down any moment now, but we're just happy so I could have just pick up the camera and just give you guys an update because I see all of the messages them guys. I appreciate it, me not lie. Plus this morning I took the time out once. Let me tell you now, when I wake up this morning at my sister, I have the strength, I just go through and reply to the message them. Yeah, do you want to stop at the pharmacy? Well, I did stop there already to get the eucalyptus sweetie and stuff like that, but the pharmacy when I go them never have any. Yeah, but me get back, yeah, me know. Me get back just Vigatan and vitamins in one a day. Plus me buy my must have them for my house. Like if my house not have them, I not feel like me not feel complete. So I get the eucalyptus oil. Me have Vicks already, mommy. Me get me olive oil. So I go drop this off over Jason's mommy so this can consecrate. Not until me like my olive oil. Trust me. Me feel like every house must have a bottle of olive oil. Especially consecrated olive oil. And me glycerine. I say call glycerine. And my peppermint. Mommy said me sound like a little granny. Yeah. Baby, I know from one day I want me Swiss party. So yeah, then I must have it in my house. So I get back them here. Boy, my stomach a burn me. So I'm just happy I get them out of the way. I want to make some chicken soup tonight. But oh, me want a chicken soup there. Me no want nothing in the mummy.
You can know, see a sick a certain time, me sick of long water soup.
Yeah, me no want nothing in there. Me no want it time, scallion, nothing. Just want the noodle and the chicken breast in there. I want nothing else.
You know you're sick, I can use that and nothing you want.
So when time I go home, I go make that tonight. And hopefully start off on next vlog phone because I know I just feel better and feel like me in the mood